If your T-Mobile router is stuck on the downloading firmware screen, it means the update process has been interrupted, often due to network or power instability. Before anything else, use the T-Mobile Home Internet app or web portal to pause and retry the update. This built-in feature restarts the download and often resolves the issue. If the app isn't working or the screen is frozen, power cycle the router by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary glitches without losing your settings. As of late 2025, T-Mobile's routers have improved error handling, so retrying is more effective than it used to be. These immediate actions can resolve the problem for most users. If retrying and power cycling don't work, a factory reset is your last resort. Press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 to 15 seconds. This will erase your custom settings and restore the router to its default configuration. So only do this if other methods have failed. To prevent this issue in the future, ensure your router has a stable power source and a strong 5G signal during updates. Check regularly for updates in the T-Mobile app and avoid interrupting the update process once it starts. T-Mobile is working on AI-assisted diagnostics to predict and prevent these stalls. But for now, these steps will help you keep your router running smoothly. Remember to reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings after a factory reset.